we have done, like we have saved the princess. It's time for us to clean the house because now princess is in the house, so we have to clean the house as well. And it makes sense as well. So now the question that we are given here is, the goal of the AI is to create a rational agent. An agent gets input from the environment through sensors and acts as an environment and with actuators. Now, what are the sensors and actuators? You will program a simple model to perform the correct rational environment as input. Make the bot MarkZoid. It doesn't matter, but yeah, the name is given. Its bot whose sensor is head-mounted cameras and actuators are the wheels. So sensors are something. If you see, sensors are something through which we take input or we get the information. These are called the sensors. Now the sensors are there, so if we have some input, we can perform some task on that with the help of actuator. So actuator are the one through which we perform some task. These are basically sensors and actuators. Then again, other information which we have about the problem is the bot here is positioned at the top left corner of the 5x5 grid. So this information we already have. It's in the top left corner of a 5x5. Whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somewhere here. So it's in the first box. Now, what are the input formats we are having? The first line, 2 space separated integers, which indicates the current position of the bot. So these are the current position of the bot. Okay. Matrix convention, 5 lines, B, and then we have dash, and then we have D. 3 types of inputs we are having in the cells. So B is basically the position of the bot, D is where we have the dot, and the dash, it's empty, so we can move from there. The output is left, right, up and down, and clean. If it reaches, we have to clean, else we have to go up, down, left and right. We have to take the minimum steps to clean the entire board. How we can do that? So this is how I have done the problem. You can take another way to do as well. So first I have created a dirty cells where I have to find every dirty cells. I have saved it as an RNC for R in range of 5, C in range of 5, because that's the 5x5 grid. Okay, so we have the range of 5 only. If board R and C, means if board suppose 1 and 1 is equal to D, then we are saving it in R and C and we are calling it a dirty cells. So now we have all the information about the dirty cells, where the dirty cells are. Okay, now what I have done is, if position of R and C in the dirty cells, if we have position of R, the position of the bot, R and C is the position of bot. If the bot is in the dirty cell, these cells, if it's in one of them, then we have to print clean, and I will remove the dirty cell from here. So I will have always one less. Okay. So now what I can do, like I have already done it, but yeah, what you can try to do is, if there is no dirty cells, I have not found the dirty cell, then what I can do, I will find a minimum distance cell from the dirty cells which has been removed. In the first step, if it's not removed still, I will find a minimum distance of dirty cells and the first cell that is available over here. Okay, getting my point? The minimum distance between any cells and the first cell over here. now we have that minimum distance. What I can do, the minimum distance has been saved as a target R and target C. This is where I have to reach. If in a cell, suppose if some dirt is here and some dirt is here and bot is here, then I can go here and here. But if dirt is here, then I have only one possible solution to go here. Getting my point? Hope so. If not, then you can comment and I will make something good video for you as well. If so, okay. Now we have the target R. This is the targeted row where we have to go, and I have the position of the bot. If the position of the bot is more than the targeted R, what does this mean? If let's see here, 0 0 0 1 0 2 1 0 1 1 1 2 2 0 2 1 2 2. If the position of the R, like suppose here is the bot and here is the dirt. Okay, in this way I will explain these 4 lines. So if the R, this row, is more than that of this, so we have to go up, because 0 1, you see, I told yesterday also, if you write 1 2 3 0 and then 1 2 3. Now if you see, how will I go up? If 0 1 2, if it's which is more, so position of the R is more, so if it's here, it have to go up. If, because I am moving position R, I am moving the bot, I am not moving the dirt. Dirt is already there. Dirt is where I have to reach. So now the position R is here. If the dirt is here, I will go up. If the position R is here, like here, and I have to go there, then I will go down. Same way, left, right and left. It's as simple as that to understand it. If you just write 1 2 3 4, you will get to know how you can do it. So this is how like you can tackle the problem, and this is how you have gone. And if you see, like if I run the code at see, it's not moving everywhere, but yeah, it's going on every cells that is dirty, and that's done. I have taken 16 moves to clean the grid. Now the grid is clean, princess is happy, all are happy. We'll see you in the next video.